Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to program Insignia remote to a TCL TV. First, press the power button on your TCL TV and make sure the TV is powered on before programming the remote so it can properly receive the signal. Next, on the Insignia remote, press and hold the setup button. Keep holding the button and wait until the LED indicator light stays on, and then release the button to begin the programming process. Now, use the number buttons on the remote to enter one of the common TCL TV remote codes such as 12434, 11756, 10178, or 10030. Enter the code carefully using the remote keypad. The LED light should turn off after entering the code, which indicates that the code has been accepted by the remote. After that, point the remote directly at the TV and press the power button. If the TV turns off, the remote is successfully programmed and should now control the TV functions like power and volume. Finally, if the TV does not respond, repeat the same steps and try another TCL code from the list until the remote works properly with your TV. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.